Hello and welcome to the Android and Java Developer course. I'm so happy you're here. My name is Paulo Deschon and I am the instructor for this course. Now you might be wondering, is this the right course for me? Well, let me see if I can help. I designed this course for anyone wanting to learn Java and Android development, either a true beginner who doesn't know what a variable is, or a more experienced developer who wants to learn more about Java and Android app development in particular. So I don't assume you have had any prior programming experience. All is needed is the drive to learn. So now that we've covered who you are, let's get into what I will be covering in this course. Again, the goal of this course is to teach you Java development and Android from scratch. With that in mind, I'll take you through the process of setting up your development environment for both Windows and Mac. We'll then install all the necessary software to start learning Java and later, of course, Android, such as Eclipse and Android Studio. I will then cover extensively the Java programming language, which is the language used to build Android native applications. Now, the idea is to get all of the Java basics needed to start Android development, and once we get that out of the way, we then dive into Android development. I'll show you also how to use Android Studio, an IDE used to build Android apps, and after that you will start writing apps and learning a lot about Android by building from scratch amazing apps such as temperature converter app, biography, weather app, music app, and also a WhatsApp clone app, which is a little bit advanced, and many other applications. Now, what qualifies me to teach this course? Well, I have a degree in computer science, and I have been programming for 10 years, 5 of which building Android and iOS applications. I started building Android apps in the early stages of Android, so I guess you could say that I've been in the mobile space for a while now. Currently, I have several apps in Google Play Store, Amazon, Apple Store, Barnes & Noble, and I'm also the founder of Magadi Studio LLC, which is a mobile app development company in Spokane, Washington. Programming and building Android apps is my biggest passion, and I want it to be yours too. Now, let's face it, sometimes learning feels a little bit boring. Well, it doesn't have to be. In this course, I try my best to present the material in a very fun way. That way you don't get bored, of course. And you also see that I use a lot of diagrams as I explain technical concepts that can be a bit dull otherwise. So no worries, you will have a lot of fun learning Java and Android. Again, thank you very much for joining this course, and I look forward to seeing you in the next videos. Thank you.